Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to increase Skrill deposit limit. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the add, transfer, and exchange. In the bottom tab, we have the home, card, cryptos, and the rewards in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and increase Skrill deposit limit. So firstly, go to the Skrill website or open the Skrill mobile app and log into your account. Then navigate to the settings section. So go to the top left corner and here you'll find the settings section. After that, click on limit and verification to see your current deposit limits. If you haven't already, verify your identity by uploading a valid ID and a selfie. This is required to increase your limits. You may also need to verify your bank account by entering the micro deposits sent to your account. If you're already submitted an ID, you may need to submit a secondary ID for further verification. Once your identity and bank account are verified, your deposit limits will be automatically increased. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.